Welcome, viewer. Today we're delving into the often misunderstood world of relationship anxiety. This is a space where we uncover the persistent worries and doubts that can cloud our connections. Join us as we explore its origins, impact, and effective strategies to foster healthier relationships. 1. Understanding relationship anxiety. Relationship anxiety encompasses a spectrum of worries and fears about relationships, often stemming from past experiences, fear of rejection, or feelings of inadequacy. These anxieties might manifest as constant questioning of the relationship's stability or a deep-rooted fear of abandonment. Recognizing these signs is the initial step toward addressing and managing this issue. 2. Root causes of relationship anxiety. Multiple factors contribute to relationship anxiety. Past traumas or negative relationship experiences can instigate a fear of repeating patterns. Additionally, low self-esteem, fear of vulnerability, or societal pressures to maintain an unrealistic, perfect relationship can exacerbate this anxiety, impacting one's mental well-being. 3. Impact on relationships. Relationship anxiety significantly influences our interactions with our partners. It might lead to overanalyzing situations, difficulty in trusting, or unnecessary conflicts caused by unfounded fears. Understanding how relationship anxiety affects the dynamics is crucial in devising effective coping strategies. 4. Communication as a key tool. Transparent and open communication with your partner forms the cornerstone in addressing relationship anxiety. Expressing fears and concerns creates an environment of support and empathy, fostering trust and mutual understanding. 5. Building trust and security. In relationships, building trust is vital. Consistency, reliability, and honesty in actions and communication contribute to establishing a solid foundation of trust. When there's a sense of security within the relationship, doubts and fears are reduced. This security helps both partners feel assured and lessens the anxiety that stems from uncertainty or mistrust. 6. Boundaries for personal well-being. Establishing boundaries within a relationship is about maintaining individual identities while being in a partnership. These boundaries ensure that each person maintains their autonomy and personal space. By setting and respecting these boundaries, it reduces the tendency to become overly dependent on the relationship, which in turn can alleviate anxiety arising from fears of losing oneself. And self-reflection and awareness. Self-reflection involves introspection to understand personal triggers and thought patterns. It's about being attuned to your emotions, reactions, and fears. This awareness is crucial in recognizing irrational fears and addressing their root causes. By understanding oneself better, individuals can take proactive steps toward managing and mitigating relationship anxiety. 8. Coping mechanisms and self-care. Engaging in self-care practices outside the relationship context is essential. Activities like mindfulness, exercise, hobbies, or simply taking time for oneself contribute to overall well-being. These practices promote a balanced life, reducing dependency on the relationship for fulfillment and lessening triggers that can lead to anxiety and challenging negative thought patterns. Cognitive reframing involves actively challenging negative or irrational thoughts. It's a technique where individuals question the validity of their negative thoughts by seeking evidence that contradicts them. This process helps in breaking the cycle of negative thinking and reduces its impact on emotions and behaviors. And seeking professional support. Sometimes, managing relationship anxiety requires professional guidance. Therapists or counselors offer tailored strategies and tools to cope effectively. They create a safe space for individuals or couples to explore their concerns, provide insights into patterns, and offer practical techniques to manage anxiety within the relationship. 11. Patience and persistence in the process. Overcoming relationship anxiety isn't an overnight process. It demands patience, persistence, and commitment from both partners. Implementing positive changes within the relationship and addressing anxiety triggers take time. It's about continuously working on improving communication, building trust, and supporting each other through the journey towards a healthier, more secure relationship. Thank you for joining us as we explored relationship anxiety. Remember, understanding and addressing these feelings can strengthen relationships. If you found this helpful, like and subscribe for more insights. Stay tuned for more discussions on nurturing healthier connections. Take care.